Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your Visa card in 2025. With the new updates this year, it's faster and more secure than ever, but we'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and that your Visa card is linked to it. If it's not, you'll need to add it quickly. Head to the Wallet section in PayPal and follow the prompts to enter your card details. This usually takes just a minute or two. Now, let's get into the main steps. Step 1. Log in to your PayPal account using your email and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. It's a game changer in 2025 with all the new fraud protections. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfer Money or Send and Transfer option, which you can find in the main menu. Here, you'll see options for your linked bank or cards. Select your Visa card as the destination. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will show you any potential fees up front. Keep an eye out because rates might have changed in 2025, especially for international transfers. Double-check everything to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review and confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email almost instantly, and the money should hit your Visa card within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank's processing time. A quick tip: always monitor your accounts for any unauthorized activity, and if you're transferring larger amounts, consider using PayPal's new instant transfer feature if it's available in your region. It could speed things up. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to your Visa card in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the ropes, and it puts you in control of your finances. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.